blood clot, man.
Used to push up like a Apollo with some tent. My note was almost more than half my rent. All my money went to one expense. I know that don't make no kind of sense. Back then I used to drive off Mason. Those cops not used to the faces we got, they would run my plates in. We stopped, but I just left work while I restocked, but they see my whip in it. C-Pot's on my outfit, they think Treetop got a head full of steam like a teapot. Better do what he said or you get shot. Ooh, who are you? See you like red, must be a pop rule. If you went to work, why bring a crew? What you think black folks don't carpool? Better would've been a crib if my shirt turned blue. Keep your hands on the wheel, sir, 10 and 2. I stopped this car cause you did too dark. You know that's a lie, that ain't true. It's cause I swear.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog on this beautiful day. It's getting nice outside. I mean, all days are beautiful these days, you know. As long as you put in the grind to get where you need to be, it's good. And I've been putting in the grind. So, you know, it's time to take off the winters and put on the summers. It's my setup or whatever. I have the VREDESTEIN winters on the back, which are good tires, and they will typically last you, I would say, a couple years, winter tires in general, before you need to replace them. They're not tires you run all year round. They're just built for the winter months. My car's rear-wheel drive, so I kind of need that. Well, I think all cars need that in the winter months, especially if you experience a lot of snow or cold weather. They really do perform a lot better than summer tires in the cold weather. I'm going to throw back on my summers, the stock summers. One of the main concerns that I am going to have is the tire shop and what tire machine they do have, because these are Autoflex wheels and they are gold. Now, Autoflex powder coated, even factory, if one of those metal pieces touch the wheel, as you guys see in the other video, it will leave a mark, a scratch, right? I have a little bit of fun with these winters. We're gonna take them off and see how it looks. So
Listen, you see these people over here in this park? I'm gonna dust them up. You see this guy in the seat? I'm gonna dust him too. Let him
I don't listen to none of that.
Yeah,
Boy.
do that, Joe.
I'm not doing. Oh, it's slow. It's slow. Nah, but there's some guys at the ballpark talking about Revit. I've been smoking the tires up a little bit more than I like to admit. So supposed to ship this out like a couple days ago, but finally getting to it. So I gotta drive there.
Who are you? See you like red, must be a pop rule. If you went to
The package was a success. Yo, I just love walking up to this car and seeing how it looks. It looks so dope. I know a lot of you guys talk about, ironically, the grills that came perfectly fine in M340. You guys talking about them saying like I messed it up with the color and stuff. You're walking out of the store, you're walking up to the car, you're like, yo, this thing looks kind of sick. It looks really aggressive. It's missing the front lip. It's missing my carbon fiber keys front lip, or my keys motorsports carbon fiber front lip. So I'm thinking about throwing that on because the weather's getting better. See? Well, you know, life sometimes just hits you. 1 second you in a Beamer, next you in a Camry, way at the light.
This Mike better not leave me, bro. I'm gonna get my BM back and I'm gonna burn him. See that big old booty in them little tight pants. Let me stop though. Look at this guy. That's how he shows off. That's what he does on the weekend. Look at that ass on that that one right there though. You feel me? But back to the show.
Look at this guy. Here go the fast guy. Uh-oh, we got some fast guys. We got some fast guys.
Fucking rice rocket over here, bro.
He got.
Mike, I better get Dal out of his fucking video.
He ain't getting shit. What's good, Chris?
What up? Let me go fucking
Yeah.
put an oil change. I'll meet you inside.
All right. You don't want to raise this big thing. Why you don't want the world to see what you have, man?
Slow.
I painted these, by the way.
You wish.
I did. I painted one of them.
No, I redid them.
Yeah, I know. Oh, you redid them?
Yeah.
Mine wasn't that good?
No.
No, I'm gonna blur it out. Yo, how are these tires?
Good.
They good? Huh?
It hooks. 100% hooks. All the time.
I'm a little scared about hooking though.
It never disappoints you.
You hear me?
Hooks and go.
I'm a little scared about hooking.
Why?
Drive shaft, axle, diff, you know, things tend to go.
You're a wimp. You got warranty. You're good.
Yeah, they gonna be like, how the hell this happened?
I got no warranty. Can't be good.
You're all right, you good.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. That's good, that's good.
Drive my car, I gotta give a disclaimer in case you crash it. I want everybody to know he was behind the wheel. Drive safe. Oh, you wanna know how to turn traction control fully off?
No, fair, leave that shit on.
All right, at least put it in Sport Plus. Press it. Press it again. All right, you're good to go. All right. It's driving a real fast car. All right. Ah, here you go, brother. Just make sure you get my good side.
You got no good side.
Oh, god damn, AJ.
I told you.
Why did you back it out? Oh, this clutch is dangerous.
Well, there goes one stall.
No, you can't get me on that. Hold up.
I can smell the clutch burning
No,
already.
you can't. I didn't even slip the clutch that bad. God damn.
Just in case anybody wants to know, Mike is driving. He can't drive manual.
Yo, I could drive, man. Oh, it's fast, right? I'm not inching up because I might kill myself. Let me see if I can inch up. Hold on. You right behind me, bro. Relax. Yo, how you two-step? How you two-step?
No, Mike, you can't two-step.
He's too close. How you
That don't
two-step?
mean it. You got hard.
Yo, hold on, let me see. Yo, I'm like patiently waiting for the light to turn
Green.
Yeah, no, this is gonna suck. Yo, I don't smell clutch though.
Yeah.
I don't smell clutch.
Yeah, it's so far. Just bouncy.
Huh? Yeah, my Civic was different from this. Damn! There's a speed camera coming up here somewhere. You said how to do the two-step gunshot?
No, you're not doing
All right,
it.
just let me do one, AJ.
Nah.
Let me just do one. I gotta do it. I gotta do
look
it.
at this.
How
Like you need one of these.
That is nice. I need money. Huh. Come on, man. Yo, how do you do it, bro?
I can't let you
These
know.
ones, man.
I got stock bottom end.
Oh, so how do you do it then?
Because if I break it, it's okay for me.
Oh, you're right, you're right.
If you break it, then you gotta pay for it.
You're right.
I don't think you want to spend $8 grand.
I don't. I feel like I was in a Fast and Furious. Woo!
Like if I got a red light ticket or a speed cam ticket, I just gotta give you the bill, right? That's it. Because I think we just passed like 2 of them.
No, we did.
Oh shit, that Mike, look, that's like your car right there.
That is not like my car,
That
bro.
shit's fire, boy. Yeah.
Yo, why you hype him up? He about to make a U-turn. I guess go right and go up here.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. 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 I'ma hold on to this. Yo, my M340 look nice, man.
Little popcorn maker.
Yeah, I know.
Bentley wants it.
Nah, that Bentley ain't on nothing. God, this thing moving. Fast car goals.
Mike, what you gonna build now?
I don't know. I'm building a smart car.
With a Honda motor in the T-Series.
That would be smart.
Somebody did it already in Florida.
Never mind.
They got,
Nah, I don't
they got
wanna die.
wheelie bars and everything like
That's
that.
the thing, I don't want to die, bro. Uh-oh, we lining it up? Are we lining it up?
Nah, no fruit.
You got scared when I was coming the opposite direction?
Hell no, Michael. Hell no.
You didn't see that wing?
Hell no.
That shit,
I saw
tell
it
me that wasn't professional right there. Yo,
I didn't even notice it was swinging.
Yeah, I saw it. He was good.
but the only thing I don't like about it is that the pedal is electronic. So
Oh.
spinning this is like easier, cause that is like you can't feel. It's like there's no feeling to it. You know what I mean? It's like numb. Yo, that was too much fun. Way too much smoking the tires. Speed is cool, don't get me wrong. I still love speed, but like, it's so liberating when you just like have control of the car, not in control. Hey, I do a pull. Just one time for the one time.
That's enough, Michael. No more.
I got on the good mic this time. It's the HD mic. He has everything.
Yo, Mike, that car went straight just now.
Huh?
That car, I said your hand went straight.
Remember I told you it spins straight. It's so crazy, bro.
Fucking line.
Yeah.
Not
That's
even
what
a wiggle.
I'm telling Chris that. The 435,
Everywhere the M42 does that.
it does. I don't know why this fucking goes so straight like that. Can't make my mind up. It's like the same feeling you get when you put a wing on the back of a Hyundai. You know, it's just like there's no real reason for it. You don't know why people do it, but you do know it just feels good. Well, I don't know. You open it. Oh no. Nice 300ZX though. That 300ZX is mint. That Civic, not so much. I hope you guys like this vlog. Whole bunch of nothing but something. End up meeting up, hanging out with AJ and his 2JZ. He just did an oil change on it. His 2JZ 66mm turbo R154 trans, boosted, obviously shoots flames, and I got that driving, so I'm so hype on that. And maybe I'll change the tires in the next video because, well, it's 7:35 at night and I think the tire spots are closed. Not all of them, but the ones that I would prefer to change my tire, simply because I don't want to damage the Autoflex wheel. So yeah, I guess that's how hopefully the next video I'll finally get around to changing the tires, because didn't manage to do that at all. Smoked them. We smoked them, but we didn't change the tires. All right, guys, Mike from Soul Speed. Peace out. Yo, this is that real street shit. Hold on, yo, put your shirt in the thing.
Oh Lord.
Wanna go fast? Oh, you think I should have turned the car off?
That would have been a good idea.
I didn't know the car's running. Is that quiet?
Yeah. What you trying to say?
Mike, you want to take a sniff of this?
Yeah, let me get a sniff. I love a sniff. Hold on.
Yo.
Let me get a sniff. Now, hold on, let me see what the setting is on. Okay, good. Let me smell it. Hold on.
Might as well taste it.
No, it don't smell like the E98. The E98, bro? Whew, that just smell like crack. Damn, my bad. I just got a little excited. Like, how many gallons is this?
It was 5.
Okay, cool. 5 gallons.
You're like fucking Dave Chappelle and fucking Red Bulls. Cocaine in the can, bitch.
Now, what you think about them them donuts though? Come on now.
It was good. It was
Come
good.
on.
It was really good.
But it's so easy to do it because it stays straight, bro. I'm telling you can light it up, man. When they be
you're right.
when they be going out to race.
You still recording me, Mike? Get the fuck out of here. Dumb fuck. Slap you.
I gotta start doing it to myself.
To get a little light.
Believe it or not, it actually come out light on the screen on the thing.